Hello there and welcome back to DaveTech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the BPlayer application. And if you don't have this application, there are a lot of tutorials showing you how to download and install this app using different methods. Go to this YouTube channel and check for those tutorials and understand exactly how to download and install this app onto your Android TV, TV box, Google TV, or any device running an Android operating system. Now when you have the app downloaded and installed, I'd like you to go to the app and open it. So navigate to BPlayer application. You could use your mouse. I'm navigating with both the mouse and the remote for very quick navigation. But once you find the application of choice, click on OK or enter and launch the application. Now understand that this app could be used to stream any media, video or audio which is on your local device, so you could watch content locally. And also, if you have a piece of content online, you could also click on this drop down to the top left, and if you use network stream, using a streaming link, you could watch or stream content which is hosted online. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you this, and we'll be looking at local content. So for instance, if I wish to play any of this local content, all of these are videos, I could click any of them and I'll begin to play, or I can go to folders, navigate to exactly where my videos are, and if I click on this, it will start streaming immediately. So I can watch from here. This is 1.4 gigabytes worth of video content, and I can access it using this application right here. If you found value in this tutorial, if you learned how to use this BPlayer application to watch content locally or possibly use a streaming link to stream, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.